Okay, dear students, I am discussing here MCQ question on chapter trigonometry of class 10 for your term 1 exam, which you are looking forward as per your interest, according to your requirement. Okay, here I am discussing MCQ question on chapter trigonometry. Okay, and I hope you will follow it one by one. Also, you will practice it. Okay, and that will help you in your exam. Okay, let's read question number 1. Okay, so question number 1 is that question number 1, if sine alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and cos beta is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of alpha plus beta is option A 60 degree, option B 90 degree, option C 45 degree, option C 30 degree. Understand? Is it clear what is given? Okay, so let us find the solution. Okay, you see here sine alpha, given that sine alpha is equal to 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Understand? And according to the formula, you know, here 1 by 2, all of you know the sine 30 degree is equal to what? 1 upon 2, all of you know. Yes or no? So in place of 1 upon 2, can I write sine alpha? So in place of 1 by 2, we can write sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree. Can I write or not? After that, sine can be cancelled. So here value of alpha is equal to 30 degree. Understand? Here value of alpha is 30 degree. Similar manner is given cos beta. Cos beta is equal to 1 upon 2. And you know cos 60 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Have you remembered or not? Okay? Understand? So that implies cos beta. In place of 1 upon 2, can I write cos 60 degree? Yes. So cos will be cancelled. So what is the value of beta? So beta is equal to 60 degree. Understand? So we got the value of alpha is 30 degree and value of beta is 60 degree. So we can use the value of alpha plus beta. Hence, alpha plus beta is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. Understand? So, is it clear? Question number 1, all of you? Okay? Okay, thank you. Then question number 2, I am going to discuss. Okay? And here in the question number 2 is that, and if A, B, C are the angles of triangle ABC, then the value of tan B plus C by 2 is, okay, option A, cot B by 2. Option B, cot A by 2. Option C, tan A by 2. And option D, cot C by 2. Let's see. Okay, here given A, B, C are the angles of a triangle, or the 3 angles of a triangle. At 3 angles of a triangle. Understand or not? Here A, B, C are the 3 angles of a triangle. Understand? Yes or no? So given that, what is given? Yes. In triangle ABC, A angle, ABC are the 3 angles of triangle. Since A angle and B angle and C angle, so sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is equal to, we know, how much? 180 degree angle sum property of triangle. Understand or not? Okay. And here you have to find out the value of tan B plus C by 2. Tan B plus C by 2. Okay. Let's see. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Let us remove the angle sign. It means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So that implies B plus C is equal to 180 minus A, angle A. Okay. So that implies divide both side by 2. divide both side by 2, a upon 2. Understand? So you see the b plus c upon 2 is equal to 180 by 2, how much? 90 degree minus a upon 2. Okay, understand? Now let us put, you see that here tan b plus c upon 2, let us put tan on both sides. Let us put tan on both sides. So tan b plus c upon 2 is equal to tan a upon 2. Okay, so that implies tan b plus c upon 2 is equal to tan 90 minus theta. What is the formula of tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta. What is the formula? We know cot theta. So in place of tan 90 minus a upon 2, here angle is in place of theta, here a upon 2. You can write cot what? A upon 2. Okay, so which is the correct option? Okay, cot A upon 2. So B is the correct option. B is the correct option. So option B. Here you are getting option B. Okay, which is cot A upon 2. Is it clear? Okay. Once again see, given in the triangle ABC, since ABC is a triangle, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of triangle. It means remove the angle sign, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Here B plus C is equal to 180 minus A, you transpose A, angle A to the right side. Okay, so B plus C is equal to 180 minus A, divide both sides by 2. Here you get, after dividing both sides by 2, you will get what? B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus A by 2. So B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 upon 2 is 90 degree minus A by 2, angle A by 2. So put both tan on both sides, because you have to find out tan here. What is the value of tan B plus C upon 2? So put tan on both sides. So tan B plus C upon 2 is equal to tan 90 degree minus A upon 2. 90 degree minus A upon 2. 90 degree minus A upon 2. So tan B plus C by 2, tan 90 degree minus A upon 2 is equal to cot A upon 2, which the correct option is B and cot A upon 2. Is it clear? Understand? Okay. Okay, thank you.